Yo, I look kind of good. What's up, y'all? It's Reese here. First video, live day trading the Nasdaq. About 4 minutes until market opens here. I'm gonna quickly go over my bias for the day. I am bullish, as we have been for the past month, just with this all-time high price action. Coming into the day, we just have these obvious draws. Looks like we're in a pretty obvious buy model right now. Go to the 1 hour here. We are disrespecting these bearish gaps, respecting these bullish gaps. We do have this 1 hour interior high, as well as this unfilled 4 hour gap above. There's also a 4 hour intermediate high. What I want to see happen at open is we manipulate lower into what will be, as of right now, a 30-minute gap, and I preferably want us to hit this 15-minute. We more than likely will hit the 15-minute. The only thing is that we're already inside of a 15-minute technically, and this 15-minute, we're SMTing at it. But I'm just hoping that we do want to push lower. It looks like ES is just kind of slowly pushing lower right now. Looks like we're just kind of consolidating, but honestly, this could be tits. I mean, we could get a pretty sick Judas off open. I don't really have a bearish idea in mind. I'm not bearish at all. We haven't been bearish. We've been just strictly all-time high bullish. And yeah, I mean, I want to see it just manipulate lower into this 15-minute gap. And then also, if you go to the 5-minute, it's kind of basically, if we hit this 15-minute gap, it is about CE of the range. So it's kind of a rebalance play as well. So it looks pretty good. Honestly, it's a no news Monday, so I'm trying to play it a little protective. I didn't have a bad week last week. I just had a bad week in terms of trade frequency, and I did end up down $350 on a fresh eval. So I'm currently $350 in drawdown on that eval, but it's not that bad. You know, I think I only took 2 trades last week, 1 loss and 1 win, and pretty much the win was just to mitigate my loss. And it was in the same day, so I took a loss, and then I downsized, and I took a setup after that and mitigated my losses, which I typically don't do that. I typically only take 1 trade a day. But yeah, I mean, this is pretty much what I want to see today, is just us come down lower into this 15-minute gap, as well as what will be a 30-minute gap. And yeah, I mean, I also want to keep an eye on how deep we retrace into this 30-minute gap. Could get a CE tap, could get just a Judas off the 15-minute, could soup it. I mean, I don't know. I don't really want us to go any lower than this. I mean, if we do just start displacing through the 15-minute, I still just don't even think I'm bearish. To me, this is such an obvious buy model. We've been doing this continuously the last month or so. Just just pumping all-time highs, and then overnight we kind of sell off a little bit and just repeating the same buy model. But yeah, I mean, it's a pretty easy bias, just disrespecting bearish, respecting bullish gaps. And yeah, I got some music going on in the background. It says it's not copyright, so hopefully that's true. But yeah, we shall see. And market opens in now. All right. See what happens here. Pushing lower, like the way that I wanted us to. I will mark out this swing, just because if I do get RR to it, I will TP there. There's gonna be like a sick 15-second, I bet. I was not even a 15-second. ES looks so good. Souping that 15-minute. I do hope we want to just retrace a little bit lower. but I have a funny feeling we're just gonna rip. Oop, no, we're getting that deeper retrace. I will remove this. Just kind of see what we get here. Don't want to force anything. Honestly, like, my conviction for longs is just so high that, like, I low-key, like, wouldn't mind a CISD entry, depending on what it looks like. No, not even close. The only thing I don't like is this 1 minute structure. I won't lie. Okay, hit CE, this 30-minute gap on both pairs. See how we react off of this. We shall see. All right, I'm in this 30-second. We're gonna see how it goes. I could see this failing simply because we just don't have enough structure built up yet. But I am in this long on MNQ. Just gonna target this swing right here. I don't know, like, this could fail simply because we just haven't built up structure, but we will see. I still think we have to build more structure. That's the only issue here. But we soup CE, respecting it. I'm overall bullish. Yeah, I mean, currently sitting in drawdown a little bit, but I don't know. I like the trade. Strong inversion, strong wick. Let's see how this 5-minute prints. Ooh. Yeah. All right. Took an L on that. You know, that does suck, but I kind of understand why it failed. You know, we didn't really build up enough structure yet. I mean, we had all this LR up here. Very obvious buy side liquidity. Did get a resweep here. I just think we haven't built up enough structure. I mean, we just kind of dumped right at open. ES, not really sure. You know, I mean, it's that side of probabilities. I mean, it does suck. The first video that I'm making, I do take an L. Looks like we're getting a pretty decent, could get a decent re-entry right here. I really want to take, but I don't know. I'm not going to get emotional here. I'm not going to take a second trade. I know this is going to rip. Like, I know it's going to rip too. Oh, man, it does suck. I wouldn't even inverse. You know, this is like the first bullish 1 minute candle here. I don't know. If we re-sweep this this low here. I don't understand why ES or we want to manipulate lower. I mean, CE tap, strong 30-second inversion. We'll see what happens here. I don't want to say that was a preventable loss. I mean, we're just kind of clearing through this 15-minute gap. Maybe we want to take out this first. Ooh, I really want to take this. I'm missing a candle. Kind of chopped my entry a little bit, but I am in this. I'm a little bit de-risked here. Had this SMT at the lows. I could get smoked here. Dude, 2 losses in the same first video. I don't know. I like the SMT at the lows. Confirm that. My stop loss at the swing. All right, I'm re in this trade. Typically, I don't take more than 1 trade a day, but I really like the look of this. Finally got a little bit of structure formed now. A 5-minute gap will open up. God damn, got smoked again. All right, that's it for me. That is it for the day. Took 2 losses. I did de-risk a little bit on that one. That does suck. That does suck a lot. But, you know, that's the game of trading, you know. I was already sitting in drawdown, so now I'm sitting a good amount in drawdown now, so that sucks. But that's why you only take 1 trade a day, you know. I have a feeling we're gonna rip now. I have a feeling we're gonna rip now. But you know what? It is what it is. I'm gonna take my loss like a man, and if it rips now, it rips now. You know, I mean, does it suck that I just took 2 losses? Yes, but does it define me as a trader? No. I had conviction in both of these setups. I really like the SMT at these lows, and it looks like we're getting another SMT, so I could just be, you know, on the bad side of the SMT. Yeah, I mean, just all this LR, 5 minutes gonna open up. I don't know. Bullishness just seemed very obvious to me. I mean, should I have taken a second trade? Obviously, in hindsight, it's easy for me to say, no, I shouldn't have. But, yeah, I mean, it is what it is. It's a learning experience. And, yeah, I mean, you win some and you lose some. This just had really good RR, and I felt as if taking a second trade was worthwhile. Kind of chopping now a little bit. I mean, I don't know. I think the reason this trade fails is simply for the structure. I mean, we kind of just dumped that open. I'm just trying to figure out where we want to go next. Like maybe we want to clear this out first. But I don't know. We're just so bullish. This is such a strong 1-hour candle from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Like, just seems so obvious. We've been in these all-time high price action. We've been in all-time high price action. So, yeah, I mean, it does suck though. First video and 2 big L's. So now I am on this eval that I'm on currently. I only have $764 in drawdown left to work with. Man, I lost almost a band today. So I was a little bit over risk on that second trade than I wanted to be, just because my entry got butchered. But yeah. Well, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me get smoked today. It is what it is, but we're gonna learn from it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.